Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-LASER, software that measures and qualifies tube shapes and then automatically corrects tube bending machines. In today's video, I want to cover how to effectively communicate with a BLM VGP controlled bender from VTube-LASER. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a corrections loop properly. So let's go ahead and get started. On the left side, you'll see a VGP control, and the operator is going to transfer this program to the BLM PLCs at the bender. You can see that it performs a simulation, and then the transfer occurs. Now, assume that the part is bent, and we would start up communications again by clicking on this icon. At this point in the process, most VGP controls will show this dialog, and it's important that you click on the check mark button to save the changes. If the dialog does not show up, then it's important for you to manually save the part. Now restart the VGP communications dialog. Now take the part back to the measuring center, and we're going to measure the part and then find that it doesn't qualify. So the next step is to perform a recall inside VTube-LASER's bender setup. And when we do this, the VGP will answer with the XYZ C data, and it will fill in the blue columns with that data. Now the next step is to send corrections from VTube over to the VGP software. We're actually sending the orange columns over. So when this process is complete, the orange columns and the XYZ C grid should match. Now, since VGP has received new data, perform a new program transfer and simulation out to the bender. Now, bend the part, and it's important at this point to save the part data before you load this dialog. So you can see there's no dialog here saying to save the part. So go ahead and save the part, then get into the measuring center connection dialog. Now, let's perform that corrections loop one more time. We're going to assume that the part is still not good. We just measured it, and we're going to need to perform a recall in order to update the blue columns inside VTube-LASER's bender setup. And once the blue columns match the XYZ C data, now we can send the corrections over, which means we're sending the orange columns back into the VGP control. Of course, we're going to transfer this out to the control, and very importantly, we're going to end up saving this back out to the VGP database. And now we're ready for one more corrections loop if necessary. So we'll just continue to repeat the process until the part is inside tolerance. After the part is inside tolerance, we don't have to perform any more communications. And that's how easy it is to correct a BLM VGP control using VTube-LASER. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to email me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.